Hey YouTube Quilters, it's Joe here. I have another unboxing for you. This is the SewSampler January 2018. So if you get this subscription box and you don't want spoilers on what's inside, go ahead and shut the video off. But if you want to know what I got, go ahead and stick around and we're going to do an unboxing. Alright guys, let's go ahead and let's open up the SewSampler box. This comes from the Fat Quarter Shop. It is $24.95, I believe. I'll put the right price popping up here and where you can get it and what it's called. This is one of my favorite subscription boxes. It always has awesome stuff in it, and it's a great price, and it's just really cool. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. No tissue paper. They do this new thing here, which butterfly kisses. No. Alright, I just did like a whole bunch of unboxings and it looks like it's the same fabric. Ugh. I'm not a Valentine's Day spring flowery person, if you remember correctly. So yeah. Alright, but let's look and see. Let's see what we got. We got butterfly kisses. We'll look at this in a minute, but that tells me everything we have. SewSampler sticker. Block of the month. Riley Blake Fabrics. Riley Blake is the one sending me all of these ugly fabrics. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of fabric here. But it closely mimics the it really actually mimics the holiday bundle that I just received from them. It is the exact same thing. Alright guys, you know that we are probably getting multiple boxes from you. Why would you put the same fabric in both? I'm not going to open this. If you want to see what's in here, go ahead and look at my other Fat Quarter Shop video, which is the holiday bundle. It's holiday Valentine's Day flowery pink stuff. But anyway, we got Cute Cuts ruler. Small, but hey, it's a ruler. Bee in My Bonnet Bandages by Lori Holt. Please tell me these aren't Band-Aids. Oh my gosh, they're Band-Aids. Okay. Well, I got some Band-Aids. Needle carry card. Oh, this is interesting. It's green. Needle carry card. Yeah. These were the Band-Aids. I don't know if I showed, but hey, here it is. I'm flying through these unboxings. What do we have here? We have just pins. Just pins. And it looks like, I don't know, like, if you guys remember the pencils with the detailed big erasers that you could buy and put on that were, like, always shaped like something. That's what this reminds me of. They're cute. Oh, and they're plastic. They're not, they look like an eraser, but they're not. They're a little plastic. They're cute, but there's a strawberry, a bird, and a blue dot. I feel like Fat Quarter Shop is pushing strawberry theme on me. Not really enjoying that. Okay, and then it's the filter quilt pattern, and it looks like it is a butterfly. So that's our box. Let's go ahead and let's go through each individual item again. I'll tell you how much it cost and what it's actually called and all that jazz. Rating the box, I'm going to give the box a 1 because, 1, they repurposed the fabric in the other box. Give me some more variety. So we have the needle carrying card, which they say runs at $8. Needle carrying card, $8. What's next? The butterfly pattern, which runs $10. And if you like butterflies, it's not that bad looking. I don't like butterflies. Okay. Okay, then we have the block of the month, which looks like they charge $1.48 for it. And then Petite Butterflies and Berries, 10-inch stacker. And it looks like this custom 21-piece 10-inch stacker will make a precious gift of love for the sugar-sweet people in your life. So it includes 21 10-inch squares, $19.98. So this is 21 10-inch squares. If anyone wants to swap for this, let me know. I'm more than happy to swap. Then we have the Cute Cuts 1.5 by 6.5 rectangular ruler, $4.90. I always like rulers. I mean, that's just, yeah, I like rulers. And then your Very Sweet Just Pins, $12 for 3 pins. Okay. Oh, and $6.95 for some Band-Aids. All right. So that is a SewSampler box. This is the worst box that I've opened so far from the SewSampler. I've never had one this bad. And it's not bad if this is your thing, but it's not my thing, and it's the weirdest array of products in here. So I'm gonna give it a 1. That's my personal preference. Still a good company, so gonna keep this box coming. Can't beat it for the price. And if I have a feeling if this is something you like, you're enjoying the box very much. I'm excited to go watch other people's unboxing of this because I've been holding off just because I know that I didn't want to get spoiled on what was inside. So Fat Quarter Shop, the SewSampler, one of the best subscription boxes, I believe, just not my month. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and catch you later. Bye.